You know that moment on keto when everything seems to be going perfectly? Your energy is up, the scale is cooperating, and you feel like you finally cracked the code. And then, suddenly the scale just stops. It freezes, as if it stepped out for coffee and forgot to come back. Most people hit this point and panic. They think keto stopped working, or worse, that they did something wrong. But what if I told you that a keto plateau isn't a brick wall? It's actually a message. And once you learn how to interpret that message, you unlock more progress without needing drastic diets or punishment routines. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 most powerful mindset shifts that help you break through keto plateaus and regain your momentum, confidence, and motivation. Let's jump right in. Point number 1, from expectation to exploration. One of the biggest reasons plateaus feel so defeating is that most people start keto with rigid expectations. Lose this many pounds by this exact date. Fit into this size by next month. Hit this milestone by week 3. This creates pressure, and pressure turns plateaus into emotional emergencies. But when you shift from expectation to exploration, the entire experience changes. Instead of assuming something is wrong, you start asking helpful questions. Am I getting enough electrolytes? Is my sleep slipping? Has stress crept up again? Am I eating more snacks than I realize? Exploration turns plateaus into information. It lets you adjust, learn, and discover what your body needs in this phase of the journey. This mindset alone transforms a stall from a crisis into a clue, one that guides you back to progress. Point number 2, redefine what progress means. Another powerful mindset shift is learning that the scale is just one data point, and usually not the most important one. Keto transformations often show up first in the places the scale can't measure. Your hunger becomes calmer. Your cravings quiet down. Your mood becomes steadier. Your mental clarity sharpens. Your clothes start fitting differently. Even inflammation decreases long before the scale moves. When you widen your definition of progress, plateaus lose their ability to discourage you. Your body is often getting healthier before it gets smaller, and that inner progress is exactly what leads to long-term success. Once you see the full picture, the scale becomes feedback, not your judge, jury, and executioner. Point number 3, from all or nothing to always something. Finally, one of the most powerful ways to break a plateau is shifting from an all or nothing mentality to an always something mindset. All or nothing thinking sounds like this: I missed a day of tracking, so I blew it. Or I had one off-plan meal, so my week is ruined. That mindset creates burnout and chaos. But always something is forgiving, flexible, and sustainable. Instead of needing perfection, you keep yourself moving with one simple, consistent action each day. Drink water, hit your protein, prep one easy meal, take a short walk, track for a day. Momentum returns through small, doable actions. And momentum is what ends plateaus. Always something keeps you grounded, confident, and consistent long after motivation wears off. Keto plateaus aren't the enemy. They're simply part of your body's recalibration process, a temporary pause before another stretch of progress. And when you shift your mindset from expectation to exploration, expand your idea of what real progress looks like, and move toward an always something approach, you take back control of your journey. These mindset shifts don't just break plateaus, they help you stay successful for life. If this message resonated with you and you want more real-world keto strategies, tools, and mindset tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your next breakthrough might be one small shift away, and I don't want you to miss it. See you in the next video.